Hey guys, so I'm starting off with some rusty crusty hair from my Thailand trip, and I'm going to begin with the Jamaican black castor oil shampoo, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my scalp and make sure to really massage it and cleanse my scalp. Since I have been traveling with my natural hair, I just want to make sure that I am really giving myself a good wash today. And I really do like this shampoo. Normally with shampoos, I'm just like, okay, as long as they get the job done, then I like it. But this one really didn't strip my hair afterwards, so I really did like this shampoo. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use their conditioner, and I'm just going to apply a lot to my hair. I use my conditioners as a detangler while I'm in the shower, so I did apply a lot to my hair off camera, but yeah, this one doesn't have as much slip as my normal conditioners that I use, but it still got the job done. Next, I'm going to be using their moisturizing mask as my deep conditioner, and I'm going to apply that all over my hair, and then I'm going to sit under a dryer for 15 minutes, and then I'll be back to rinse it out. So I'm going to start by using the As I Am Restore and Repair, and this is their Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water Spray. So I actually did try this the other day, just for my bun, right after we got back from Thailand, just because my hair was so dry, and it did a good job of moisturizing my hair. So since I had my hair up for a little while before I started styling it, it's a little dry, so I'm just going to go ahead and dampen it with this water spray with Jamaican black castor oil. All right, while in Thailand, that was the hardest thing ever for me to maintain my natural hair over there, just because the air is so different, and it was really hard, and the humidity was crazy. So I really do need something right now that's going to moisturize my hair, so we're going to see how this line does. So next I'm going to go in with their Jamaican black castor oil leave-in that I have right here, and I'm just going to apply that to this section. So I'm just going to apply that to the section and just rake it throughout. It's already looking so good and moisturized. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit more at the roots. Now I'm gonna go in with their curling cream from their line. I'm just gonna apply it to that section and do the same thing, just work it through. I'm going to take this much and then add more if I need it. So I'm just going to repeat those same steps. I'm going to use the water with Jamaican black castor oil, apply the leave-in, and then I'm going to use the cream to finish styling my curls. And then I'm just basically going to rake through my entire hair just to kind of define my curls. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, just 3 little steps. And then this is what my hair is looking like halfway finished. You guys can see the definition and the shine, and then this is it all the way finished. So I'm just gonna let that dry, and then I'll come back to you guys when it's fully dried.
Moving away to the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away.
Okay, so this is my hair 95% dry, and I have heat damage, you guys. So I don't know if you guys been following me, but I'll just say that for another video. This video is about As I Am. So in all, I love the entire line. Of course, it's As I Am. They work well with my hair. I would have to say my favorite thing from their line was the curling cream. Definitely going to be using that, and this as well. I love that they have the Jamaican black castor and oil and water mixed in here together in a spray bottle. It just makes it easy to do, because I would probably never ever actually do this myself. So I love the fact that they have this, and then of course the leave-in, I can use that whenever. But yeah, so overall, I like the results, of course. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been doing this little side part now. I always used to do middle part, so let me know in the comment section down below if you guys like it. But yeah, I'm probably gonna do another video on my heat damage that I got and how I'm going to recover from it. So yeah, if you guys would like to see that, let me know in the comment section down below. And also, I'm back from Thailand. I came back, today is Wednesday, so I came back Monday morning at like 1 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna be putting up a vlog and a bunch of other videos. If you guys have anything else you would like to see, any other suggestions, then let me know in the comment section down below as well. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ain't the night sky red? Yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean.